The Australian Tertiary Admission Rank, known as the ATAR. What is an ATAR? Understanding the Australian Tertiary Admission Rank is important if you want to go to university. It is one of the most common ways to enter university, but there are other entry pathways. Universities use the ATAR as a measure to help decide who should receive an offer of a place in a particular course. An ATAR compares your overall academic achievement against the overall academic achievement of your peers in that year. This number, between 0 and 99.95, is your percentage rank among your year group in Tasmania. In other words, if you receive an ATAR of 80, that means your score is in the top 20% in that academic year. How do you get an ATAR? You achieve an ATAR by successfully completing courses in years 11 and 12. Courses which contribute to an ATAR include TASC-accredited Level 3 or 4 courses and selected courses from the University of Tasmania's High Achiever Program, HAP, and University Connections Program, UCP. You must study at least 4 eligible courses over 2 years of senior secondary education. Your result in each eligible course will determine a scaled score. Your overall tertiary entrance score, or TE score, is the combination of your best scaled scores in eligible courses. The number of courses that could contribute to an overall TE score could be a minimum of 4 courses, 5 courses, or 5 or more courses, including HAP and UCP. Your TE score is then used along with the TE scores of your peers to determine your ATAR. Also, to be eligible for an ATAR, you need to achieve the Tasmanian Certificate of Education, known as the TCE. What else do you need to know if you are interested in a pathway to a university? Some courses are prerequisites to certain university degrees. You should keep this in mind while planning your courses. It is a good idea to study at least 5 eligible courses, rather than 4, during years 11 and 12 to maximize your overall TE score. In summary, to get an ATAR in Tasmania, you need to get your TCE, have achieved a satisfactory achievement, or better, in at least 4 eligible courses. Where do you find out more information? Browse through the Year 11 and 12 course guide and talk to your teachers, family, and Years 11 and 12 providers. Also make use of the online help available. Make thoughtful choices now to help you succeed in Years 11 and 12.